Can we see someone's WhatsApp last seen if hidden or blocked? Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn if we can find out if someone's WhatsApp last seen is hidden or blocked. So without further delay, let's get started. So if you're already on the WhatsApp and if you're wondering how you can see someone's WhatsApp last seen even if it's hidden or you haven't blocked. So if someone has blocked you, you won't see their last seen, their profile picture will disappear and the message will only show one tick, and also you won't be able to see updates. So unfortunately, there is no way to bypass this from the same account. So the only workaround if you have been blocked is to create a new account and try to message or check their profile again. So register with a new SIM card and then you could message to that person or check their profile. But in case if the last scene is hidden, that's maybe due to the privacy settings in WhatsApp. So they may have set it to nobody, my contacts, or my contacts expect you. And if you have hidden your last scene also, you cannot see theirs either. So to check that, you have to open up settings, tap on the three dot and head over to settings. Under privacy, now you have to search for last seen and online. Now make sure to set it to everyone and also check their last scene. If they haven't hidden it from everyone, it might show up. So from here, select everyone, and if they have not hidden it from everyone, it might show up. So that's the only way to fix it. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.